Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mariama. In this channel I do fashion style, makeup tutorials and lifestyle. Today I come to share with you guys how I spend my Valentine with my family and loved ones. I try to do a little bit cooking and little bit decoration. I have my food on the table. I have candy, strawberry, chicken, everything is out of there. Please guys, if you love this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and please, if you don't subscribe, make sure you do. Join the Queen Mariam Barry team. Hello suma mbokki Sénégalais, suma mbokki Gambie ni man la seen Harrison doom day Queen Mariam bi. Tey nag moom dama ñëw pour wol ne sama Valentine day naka laa ko spendé tooga yu sew sewaan yi ma def si biir ak décoré suma table bi. Oh my god, lii dafa romantique suma gars yi. Okay guys, let's go into video. You guys should join me. Now I wash my chicken already. I'm going to add ginger and I will add to Maggi just to have it to give the chicken taste. I'm going to add black pepper. Yes. I'm going to add my curry. Add a little bit chili powder on it. Mix it together. Mix it. For 30 minutes now, I'm going ahead and put the table and put it inside the oven. You know, here in Italy we have prima, secondo and terzo. So now I'm going to add lime on the shrimp and then other steaks and put it in the oven too. For the third one, now I will use the mushrooms and then Valentine, we have to eat. Yes, it's party time, baby. Let's eat. Here in Italy, we call them mushrooms. This is my favorite food. I love it so much. Now I finished with the food. Everything is inside the oven, so I will go ahead and decorate my table. I have my candles. You have the love sign, the chocolates, I have my roses, everything. So I will go ahead and decorate the table. The rest of the things you guys will see it in the video. I put water inside a flower pot. I'm going to put these cute decoration stones inside, and now add my roses. Roses! Yes! Love is back! Let's love! This is how the table look. I have my strawberry, my roses, my candle, my sweet chocolate. Yes, the food also is ready. It's time for dinner. Come on, join me, guys. I invite all of you for this delicious food. Chef Queen Mariam B. Oh yes, baby. Yes, it's time to eat. Everything is done. It's time to eat. With my little bar in the corner, which I love so much. Wow, these roses are so cute. Now I off the light to show you guys how this is so romantic. Oh my god, this is so romantic. Wow. This is the end of the video, guys. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Love you all. Stay blessed. Bye. Bye.
It's J Life Music.
Quand je te vois sourire, des mille ni mangi furda aussi. Je t'aime beaucoup.